Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sensei University video. My name is Chase, and in today's video, this is going to be a continuation of the order processing. This is part 2. If you didn't see part 1, make sure you go check that out. Make sure your order stages are set. Make sure you've seen how to accept, request a revision, and reject orders, because this is going to be the follow-up after that point. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and jump into this video. The first thing we're going to look at is this is the order page itself. This is an order that we have for an example. If you notice, there's a couple things you need to learn. Change stage. When you click change stage, you can click from the list of options here. So I can put, site inspection is going to be needed. Chris Dodd is going to be responsible. It will option into creating a task for you if you want to. And you can go through this, you can click a date, you can click the time, tell them when to do it, and get notified 15 or 30 minutes prior with an email notification for them to do that. I'm going to show you an easier way to do this. So I'm going to unselect the task. I can click a comment. If I want to leave a comment, it'll be left in the notes paired to this order. What I like to do is anything I put in the comments, sending out representative for site inspection on November 11th. I'd like to copy this and paste it here to notify the dealer, because what it does is that dealer can track this order, so they can see the stage that it's in. If you leave this note underneath the stage on their screen, it'll have that note, hey, sending out a representative for site inspection on November 11th. Why this is so helpful is in case that customer calls that dealer, says, hey, what's going on? They can then relay that same information that you would relay to that customer straight from the dealer. Say, hey, not a problem, John Doe. Your building is already been accepted. But what they're going to do is they're going to send out a representative on November 11th for the site inspection, just to make sure that it fits, that it's level within a couple of inches. Give them that breakdown. You can even notify the customer. Now, if you notice a box doesn't pop up, it's just going to send them a notification of the stage itself. So this is how you can quickly and easily change your stage, update the order stage. You can assign it to somebody to be responsible for this stage, and then you can actually notify that dealer, and then you click save, and it's going to update it, and you can see here the note that we sent out to the dealer, and the current stage is site inspection. So I wanted to show you how to change a stage first, because no matter where you are in the process, if you're a scheduler, if you're the person that looks over permitting processing, if you're the person that does all of the the dealer rep who does all of the orders firsthand, whatever and however it's set up, you need to know how to change a stage. So now what I'm going to show you is, I told you there's a little bit easier of a way to find out what you individually for the manufacturer are going to be needing to do for your daily task, daily routine. If you notice, what we're going to do is we're going to click the orders tab. All of your scheduling and your processing department should be able to see every order. If you need to see the permissions video, make sure you go to our settings playlist. I believe the permission video is in there. And what you'll see is this page here. Now, individually speaking, what I recommend that you do is you go to the filter button here at the top left-hand corner. You go to order stages. You drop this down, and I want you to select every stage that you're responsible for. So if you know that you're the first person to do all the new orders, and then you also do all of the site inspections, you're going to click those two stages. You're going to click filter, and these are all of the orders that are in that stage. Now, it'll be the newest order to the oldest, so the second thing I would do is click the created on date here and filter it so that it puts the oldest first, so that you can begin working on all of these older orders and getting those processed a little bit quicker. No matter who you are, where you're at in the manufacturing order processing part, you can all do this. You can all filter by that order stage. You can filter it by when the creation date was on, so that you know which ones you need to do first. And then now it's left up to you. Go through these orders individually, change the stages, update what needs to be updated, leave good notes so that communication is always the best, and continue processing your orders. That's how you guys can easily migrate from pen and paper and dropping orders off into baskets on somebody's desk to simply using Sensei to identify a stage so that everybody knows what stage they're responsible for. That's how simple and easy it is for order processing within Sensei. So guys, that's it. Changing stages, filtering these orders based off the stages that you need to see. Just as simple and easy. that Sensei does for you guys helps you guys make it easier for you, for your dealers, and for your customers, giving everybody a better experience. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. Guys, thank you so much for the support. We love to see it. We love our feedback. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to reach out to us. But until I see you guys again next time, I'll see you then. Bye, guys.